Hello lovely people, how are we doing today? Today I decided to do a small video discussing my favorite business movies from India. Now there are a lot of movies to choose from, lot of Bollywood, Hollywood, regional movies. For this video I decided to select 5 movies that show one or the other facets of business, and I thought I would be presenting my views on each of them. Some of the videos are inspiring in nature, some of the videos teach a lot about business, about customers, while there are some videos which are not something I would say a perfect embodiment of morality. But you have to understand that the intention behind these movies is not to teach or guide you, rather it was to put a question in your mind. Every movie that I say puts a question in your mind, forces you to ask a question. Now what are these questions that these movies ask us, and what are these movies? Firstly, we will know in this video. So stay with me as I discuss my favorite collection of business movies from India. The first movie in the list is Guru by Mani Ratnam. It was released in the year 2006, and it is a beautifully made movie. The cinematography, the direction, the music by A.R. Rahman, everything is great. Loosely based on the life of Dhirubhai Ambani, Guru chronicles the journey of a businessman who left his job in the Middle East, came back to India, started his own venture. The movie talks about the challenges that he faced, how he overcame them, what are the obstacles he faced from other people, from the media, from the legal side, and how he changed the business scenario of the country. The question this movie begs you to ask is, can one man change the way Indians look at businessmen and businesses? The second movie in the list is Corporate. Directed by Madhur Bhandarkar, this movie deals with corporate espionage, marketing, rivalry, and it shows how companies resort to unethical activities. Should businesses be there at the cost of human lives, at the cost of human values? Is the question this movie forces us to ask. The premise of this movie is basically two competing FMCG companies, the Sehgal Group and the Marwa Group. So Sehgal Group comes to know through unethical means about the product Marwa Group is about to launch in the coming months. It's a new kind of product which is not there in the market till now. Out of jealousy and out of recent flaws at the hands of Marwa, Vinay Sehgal, the CEO of Sehgal Group, decides and makes a media announcement that they will be coming out with that project sooner than Marwa Group had planned. Now, to bring out the project, the challenges they face, the boundaries they cross, and the compromises they make becomes the premise of the second and third act of the movie. It's a wonderful movie. When I talked about the fact that not all the movies are inspiring or ethical in nature, this is one of the movies that I meant. So how far would you go for your company? Please let me know in the comments. The third movie in the list is an inspiring story of Rocket Singh in Rocket Singh Salesman of the Year, directed by Shimit Amin. With this movie has Rocket Singh, this lead character, as the central role. He is a commerce graduate, a below average commerce graduate who decides to explore his career in sales. In the first act of the movie, we see how he performs in the interview, how desperately he tries to convince that he is someone who is good at sales despite not having the academics to prove so. So after getting the job, how he goes on to support his customers, goes on to reach out to his customers, how he feels that his company is not up to the mark when it comes to dealing with customers, providing value to customers. So he decides to sabotage his own company that he works for and form his own venture. The second and third act of the movie deals with how he gathers team, how he expands his team and his business, his value system, his ethic, and his downfall when he gets caught. So if you're someone who is looking into a career in sales or is into marketing, is into something that deals with customers, this is the movie you should watch. The question Rocket Singh forces us to ask is, earning revenues or providing value to customers? Which one would you choose? The next movie is for finance folk, or as one of my friends in finance told me, that is a finance movie for non-finance folk. So the movie that I'm talking about is Bazaar, directed by Gaurav Chawla. At the center of this movie, there are two characters, Shakun Kothari and his protege Rizwan Ahmed. How Rizwan Ahmed has ambitions of exploring his career, exploring his talents in a bigger city, and leaves his hometown in pursuit of a glamorous character, like most of us do. As he enters into a wider market, he faces challenges from established people, and how he surpasses to come in the notice of his guru, of his idol Shakun Kothari. When they meet and the journey begins of profit, money, losses, cheating, insider trading, everything that you require in a stock market thriller. So if you are interested in stock market thriller, if you have enjoyed series like Harshad Mehta, this movie is for you. The question Bazaar makes us to ask is, does money justify means? The last movie in the series is a regional movie from an international director. It is Shima Bodho or Company Limited, a Bengali movie by Satyajit Ray, released in the year 1971. So this movie deals with a corporate employee who is at the verge of promotion. The premise of the story is when his company, the company that the character works for, is unable to deliver a consignment due to technical fault. They decided to use the current political turmoil, the current issue of union, to their advantage in convincing their customers that they will be delayed because of the union problem. This movie forces us to question whether you will hesitate to make an adversity into an opportunity even at the cost of morality. This is a wonderfully made movie and I would suggest it to everyone. Now that I have talked about these 5 movies and the questions they raise, do let me know your views on these questions on these movies in the comment section. I would be happy to read your views and comment my views on them. If you have any other movie suggestion, do let me know that in the comments too. I would be happy to watch and give my review on them. Or any other business related topics, reach out to me. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That gives me a boost to come up with videos like this for you.